In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image sizes in Google Docs. This is a handy skill to have when you're working on projects that require precise visual elements or need to fit within specific design parameters. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to select the image that you want to adjust. Open your Google Docs document and click on the image you wish to modify. You'll see that a blue outline appears around the image indicating it's been selected. This is your starting point. Once your image is selected, you'll notice a toolbar that appears above the document. Look for an option labeled Image Options in this toolbar and click on it. This is where you can access the settings needed to change various aspects of your image, such as size, rotation, and text wrapping. Next, you'll want to focus on resizing the image. In the Image Options menu, you'll see a section called Size and Rotation. Click on this to expand the options if they aren't already visible. Here, Google Docs provides different fields through which you can adjust the dimensions of your image. Here's an important step. Make sure the lock aspect ratio option is turned off. If it's locked, any changes you make to either the width or the height will automatically adjust the other to maintain the proportions, which may not be what you want. You can find this option under Size and Rotation and toggle it off easily. Now it's time to input your preferred dimensions. Begin with the width. There's a field specifically for this, and you can enter the exact size you need. Whether you're increasing or decreasing the width will depend on the specific look you're going for or the space available. After setting the width, move on to adjusting the height. Just like with width, there's a height field that will allow you to control this dimension, adjust the value to suit your needs, and achieve the desired visual result. Once you've resized the first image, you might have additional images to scale in your document. Repeat the process for each image, ensuring consistency across your document if that's your goal. Consistency is key in maintaining a professional and cohesive appearance in documents with multiple images. Once you've completed these steps for all the images, you're done. Your document should now have images resized exactly to your specifications, enhancing your document's overall presentation. And that's it! You've now successfully learned how to adjust image sizes in Google Docs. Feel free to experiment with different sizes until you find what works best for your project. Thank you for watching.